Two-factor authentication, not working on CMC Markets App Fix. If you're locked out of your CMC Markets app because your two-factor authentication isn't working, don't worry, this problem is much more common than it seems. The surprising truth is, it's often just a sync or setup issue that can be fixed in minutes. Let's start with your device's time settings. Open your phone settings and make sure the Set Automatically option for time and date is turned on. Two-factor authentication codes are time-sensitive, and even a few seconds of mismatch can cause them to fail. Next, check for updates in your App Store. Make sure your CMC Markets app is running the latest version. Outdated versions can sometimes lose compatibility with the security servers, causing errors during login. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator Authy or Microsoft Authenticator, open that app and look for sync time for codes. Tap it to ensure your device is generating codes at the correct interval. If you rely on CMS verification and aren't receiving your code, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data and disable any fins. Some VNS or networks block automated messages used for verification. If that doesn't solve it, uninstall and reinstall the CMC Markets app. This resets any corrupted cache or stored lock-in data that might be interfering with your two-factor process. Once reinstalled, log in again and re-enable two-factor authentication from scratch. And if you've lost your authenticator device or switch phones, tap Can't Access Pho. To begin CMS secure recovery process, I'll verify your identity and help you regain access safely. After syncing your time, updating your app, and confirming your network settings, your two-factor authentication should start working again. Remember, Pho is your strongest line of defense against unauthorized access. Keeping it active and functioning properly is essential to protect your trades and your hard-earned capital.